Top 9. Dial window material tap manual, display tap analog, clasp, buckle, case material stainless steel, case diameter 43 mm, case thickness 14 mm, band material nylon, band size 9 inches, band width 19 mm, band color green, dial color black, bezel material stainless steel, bezel function stationery, calendar date, top 8, case diameter 46.1 mm, case thickness 16.4 mm, band width 22 mm, special features second hand movement Japanese quartz high quality build top 7 dial window material tap anti-reflective mineral crystal display tap analog metal stamp no metal stamp case material silver tone stainless steel case diameter 46 mm band color silver dial color blue top 6 atom shape round dial window material tap manual clasp fold over clasp case material stainless steel case diameter 42 mm case thickness 13 mm band material stainless steel band size man standard band width 24 mm band color black dial color black bezel material stainless steel top 5 Japanese quartz movement case diameter 43 mm water resistant 200 meter atom shape round dial window material tap manual display tap analog case material stainless steel band material leather band size man standard band width 21 mm band color black dial color black top 4 movement eco drive water resistant depth is 330 feet bezel function stationary calendar date band color black dial color black band size 9.5 inches case thickness 17 mm case material stainless steel display tab analog clasp buckle top 3 43 mm stainless steel case with mineral dial window Japanese quartz movement with analog display water resistant to 200 meter dial window material tab manual display tab analog glass fold over glass metal stamp no metal stamp case thickness 13 mm band color black top 2 water resistant depth is 990 feet atom weight 5.82 ounces bezel function unidirectional calendar date band color black dial color black bezel material stainless steel band size 8 inches case diameter 48 mm case thickness 19 mm clasp buckle, case material stainless steel, top 1 atom shape round, dial window material tab manual, display tab analog clasp buckle, case material stainless steel, case diameter 5.3 centimeter, case thickness 18.5 millimeter, band material polyurethane, band width 27 millimeter, bezel material stainless steel, bezel function unidirectional, movement Japanese quartz, water resistant depth is 660 feet, calendar date, dial color black, band length main standard, band color black, excellent timepiece, wow what a great piece worth every penny,